Hi friends, this is Dr. Vinay Kumar. Today I would like to talk to you about listening. Listening is the most important aspect in communication. Most of the fights that happen only mainly because we don't listen properly to the other person. When the other person talks, we'll be thinking what answer we will have to give, and that creates a problem. So listening is one of the skills that we'll have to develop a lot. It's very difficult to develop actually. It's a very difficult skill. But there are certain methods that you will be able to follow to get that skill in a better way. There are certain things that you will have to remember while listening. The first thing is that we have one mouth whereas we have two ears. That means you have to listen more than what we talk. So listen more than you talk. And when you listen to somebody else, don't jump to conclusions. Don't think that he is going to tell, this is the thing that he is going to tell. That means you should not have a preconceived idea. Don't be biased when you are listening. Sometimes you may have to ask one or two questions to get clarifications. When that person is talking, you will have to ask questions to get more from him. Sometimes you may have to read in between lines. What he is telling is not enough. Sometimes you may have to see what he is telling in between the lines. Show interest in the person who is talking. If he is sure that the person who is listening is very interested in what I am talking, then I will be more interested to talk. Otherwise, I will not be able to talk properly, and open talk will not be possible. Another thing is that don't be disturbed with the surroundings. The surroundings, there may be some disturbances. Don't be distracted with those things. If it is distracted, that means you are not concentrating on the person who is talking to you. So don't give that distraction to the person who is talking to you. Provide enough feedback in such a way that the person who is talking to you is interested to talk. He understands that you are listening. Yes, then all those kinds of things you will be able to tell. And also, just like what I told you, ask a little bit of questions so that you will be getting the maximum out of him. And have empathy while talking. Not sympathy, but empathy. You feel for the feelings of that person, and that's the way that you will be able to get the maximum out of the person who is speaking to you. Be a good listener if you want to be a good communicator. If you want to improve your communication skills, the better, or the only thing that you have to improve the most is your listening skills. Did you listen properly to this video today? Have a nice time. Bye.